Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is your iPhone alarm not going off in the morning, causing you to miss work, school, or important meetings? You're not alone. Many iPhone users face this issue where the alarm either doesn't ring at all or rings very quietly. In this guide, I will show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem of iPhone alarm not going off. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is your alarm volume. On iPhone, alarm volume is controlled by ringer and alerts volume, not the media volume. Here's what to do. Open the settings app, tap on sounds and haptics. Under ringer and alerts, move the slider to increase the volume. You can also enable change with buttons so you can adjust the alarm volume using the volume buttons. If the slider is set too low, your alarm may technically go off but you won't hear it. Another reason alarms don't go off properly is sleep focus. If sleep focus is misconfigured, it may silence certain alerts or interfere with alarms. To check this, open the settings app, tap on focus, and then tap on sleep. Either disable it temporarily or review the schedule and settings. After turning it off, test your alarm to see if it works properly. Sometimes an alarm can glitch, especially after iOS updates or system bugs. The easiest fix is to delete the alarm and create a new one. Here's how you can do it. Open the clock app, tap on the alarm tab from the bottom, and delete the alarm that isn't working. Now tap on the plus button and create a brand new alarm. This refreshes the alarm settings and often fixes the issue instantly. Software bugs can cause the alarms to malfunction. Apple frequently fixes these issues in iOS updates, so it's always a good idea to keep your iPhone updated. To check for alarms, open the settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update, and then install any available updates. Once your iPhone is updated, test your alarm again. So if your iPhone alarm isn't going off, try checking your ringer volume, disabling sleep focus, recreating the alarm, and updating iOS. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.